Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long time I was very busy, so I didn't make any video, so please sorry for that. And let's continue again with today work. Today task is how to extract image feature from any image. So you have already installed the Anaconda, so go to your start and open the Anaconda. And once you open the Anaconda, then you will see like this, and make a new folder source file where you want to work. So I want to create a new folder, and I will rename to extract. And you will see the I would like to work with Jupyter Notebook. So this is how Jupyter Notebook people are working with, running their code. So if you like any of them, you can use. I like to work with Jupyter Notebook. So let's start with coding. First of all, we need to import the library. So we need the CV, open CV. So let's import CV to a CV, and define a function image because we are working with image. So image is equal to CV. I'm read and write the correct format and name of the image. And for showing the code, for showing the image, we need to write the code CV I am show image comma img, because img is our function, and CV. And keep in mind, and then the weight key will be k will be capital. This is how we can show the image through coding. Let me show you another way how to show the another image format, such as for example PNG. So I will save, you can Google any image and go save the image as any format you want, but I will save this image as a PNG format. Sometimes you will face a problem how to show the image. Maybe those problem you will face in the future, or maybe you already faced, and how to solve. You already, maybe if you already faced this problem, maybe you already know how to solve. If someone don't know, so they can try with this to solve the problem. So copy the complete URL location of your source image and paste it here, and change to the slash like this, and correct format, and then click enter, and write the same code for showing the image. This is how we can see the image of different format. Now we need to define another function for cutting image. So for the cutting image, we need to know about the image pixel, and for the exact location of the image, how we know. For that, I already make it a video, so please go to my channel and watch the video. I will give you the description and the link in the description. So how we will know the row and column of the image? So please write the command row comma cols comma minus is equal to image dot shape, and we need to print the columns and row. So image is, row is 860 and column is 1280. let's try with the original row and column. Define the function cut image and use the same code for the showing. This is our original image we can see, and change the value for the what you want to extract from the image. You can play value to change to different ratio, column and row. You can extract image area of interest from the image. So please kindly watch my previous video so you will know the exact value of the feature and the object, exact pixel value of the object and the image, so you can easily extract the image, the picture from the image. So this is how we can work with image and play with image to do anything you want according to your need. So please kindly, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel and share, like and comment the videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.